She may look slim, but man, she eats a lot. Wherever there's food, there's cycle. Let's put it together for our class salutatorian, Miss Aiko Nakayama.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction. Okay. Good morning, principals, vice principal, staff, honorable guests, friends, and family, and of course, my fellow graduates. Before I will begin my speech, I would like to first thank the people who supported me throughout my entire journey in Chukai. My family, Chukai, and also my amazing friends. It's been a long journey. 4 years of education. Within the 4 years, we've made unbreakable bonds, friendships, relationships, and brief encounters with people we met at the first day of orientation and the last days we had together as seniors of Chukai. And together, we've made accomplishments that were made possible through the hard work, perseverance, and determination we put into achieving them. Through all that hard work, we now stand proudly before you in green, looking like $1 million. But in all seriousness, my fellow graduates, no matter how far we've gone, how hard we worked, or what we end up pursuing, we will be telling each other stories of our own journeys and memories of our time together as Chukai School students. I will be ending my speech here because my fellow graduates And with that, thank you for coming to Chukai School's graduating class of 2021's commencement ceremony and becoming a part of our $1 million journey. Welcome.